everybody. So it's a day for Melissa Rants, apparently, and I wanted to kind of explain a little bit on branding. So we all want to brand our business, right? Well, I'm going to show you a really, really easy way to do that. And I have an exercise for you first. So when you think of me, what do you think of? What's the first thing that pops into your mind? Like, what does Melissa love? It's really not hard to do if you look behind me, right? So I love all things Star Wars and Marvel movies in general, actually, because, I don't know if you knew this, but I actually worked in a movie theater in high school and then managed a theater as an adult, and I just love movies. So a lot of people see me with Star Wars. Well, now I want you to think about yourself, and I want you to take no more than 10 seconds to think about, what do you love? What is something that you just absolutely love? Stars come in your eyes when you see it, and it just gets you excited and giddy. So I want you to think about that. Llamas. I love llamas and alpacas. So what happens when people see Star Wars or Marvel or llamas? They actually tag me all the time, and I love it because I get to see all of these things that I love. But that's part of actually branding, and that's what I want you to really think about. So I want to see, what is it that you love? I want you to post that in the comments. Something that just ignites you. It could be anything. It could be books. It could be, anything. Okay, so it could be a city. It could be like Paris, all things Paris. I don't know. So anyways, what I want to encourage you to do, this morning when we were chatting in the car, we were talking really about what makes you stand out in your business. And I was talking about these little cards that I have that I put inside of catalogs, and it's kind of like a little Easter egg that they will find eventually one day when they open the catalog that I mail to them or give to them. And it's just a little card, and it has a verse on it, and I sign the back of it and say, "Hugs, Melissa." So it's just something to go above and beyond and make them think of me. But going a step further, it should actually have something to do with something that will remind them of me. So, I think about all the things that my friends tag me in, and it's like tacos and chicken and nachos, all the things that I love. How can I incorporate that into something every day in my business so that my customers can be walking in Walmart and they are seeing a reminder of me and actually tagging me on Facebook or Instagram and saying, "Hey, Melissa, I was just thinking about you. I saw this thing," and blah, blah, you know what I mean? So it's how can you be totally you, like just find something that just screams you, and it's genuinely, authentically you. So it's something that you just love and you could naturally fall into, you know what I mean? So if I was to have a little card and I put something on it with a Jedi and had something cute that said, something referring to the Star Wars that I love, and all of my graphics included some kind of fun little Jedi twist or something like that. I have on our little lead forms, I have a script at the bottom that says, "Don't worry, Jedi Knights protect your information. We'll never share your emails." Things like that just keep popping up and popping up and popping up. So people know that I love Star Wars, and they keep coming back to say or tag me in things that are Star Wars, and I love it. But it's also marketing. And you need to keep that in the back of your head. What can you do in your business to coin you? What is your thing? That's what we were talking about this morning. What is your thing that you could really just for 2020 pull it into your business and rock it? And can you see, shout out to showers, man. Showers take a lot of effort. I was just thinking about that. We're going to go on a squirrel. I took a shower. It takes, 20 minutes to take a shower. It takes 10 minutes to put your makeup on. It takes 10 minutes to blow dry your hair. It's a lot of freaking work. I got tired in the middle of blow drying my hair, and I was like, that's enough. I'm bored already. So I quit. So now I have half a wet head. So just way more information than you needed today. But that's why my head's wet. So anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about was branding. How can you pull something in for 2020 that will be your thing? What is your thing? I want to know what your thing is. And I want you to think about how you can start incorporating that into everything you do. Your thank you letters, the catalog labels, your business letters that you send, your graphics that you make. How can you put one little twist on it that will be your thing, that will differentiate you from all the other people out there that are, I'm doing a double day. Why am I saying the words double? Things, it will signify that you're different than everybody else who's doing the same thing or trying to do the same thing. Yours is going to be different because it's going to have that thing that is you. All right. So if you didn't watch our video from this morning, I highly suggest watching that as well. I put the link in the description for you to watch. If you have any questions about what I mean, sometimes these things only make sense in my head, so that's okay. You can tell me, but ask questions in the comments, and I am here to answer your questions. If you have any questions, let me know. I want to know what everybody's thing is, and it's so much fun to really rebrand your business, but it's even more fun because it's a new year and it's 2020. So, how can you just really kick this year off with some excitement in your business and really start finding your niche and going a little bit further to market you? It's all about you. They want to connect with you. They don't want to connect with your business. They want to connect with a person. So how can you bring your personality into your business for 2020? I want to help you do that. So let's chit chat. If you love this video, make sure you like it, you love it, and you share it. Bye, guys.